Compound bar charts. Compound bar charts is when all the values are converted into a percentage under 100%, and all values together would make 100, and each value gets its representation in that 100. The x-axis has the topic, while the y-axis represents the percentage. The formula for a compound bar chart is frequency of each category divided by total number multiplied by 100. After a value is plotted, you add your next value to the first value, and you draw your next step on the value you get in the addition. Okay, now that we're done with discrete data, let's move on to continuous data representation. Frequency histogram. Frequency histogram is basically the same as bar charts, but they don't have space in between, as histograms represent a continuous set of data. Line charts. Line chart is when the data is plotted as coordinate points and then joined together. And this only works because continuous data can only represent one topic. Now that we're done with types of data, our next topic is mean, median, mode, and range. Let's look at what mean means first. Get it? Mean means. So, I know, that was a lame joke. So let's just move on to mean. Mean is the average value of a set of numbers. So basically, it's the sum of all values divided by number of values given. Median. Median is the middle value when all values are listed from smallest to largest. So, first arrange the data into ascending order, then find the middle value. It's easy to do when you have an odd number, but if you have an even number of values, take the two middle values, add them, and divide them by 2 to get your median. Mode. Mode is the most repeated value in a set of number. Say you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. 1 would be the mode as it's repeated the most, but if you have values like 1, 2, 3, 4, then all of them are considered mode. Range. Range is the difference between the smallest and the largest value in the data. So, range equals to largest value minus smallest value. Quartile. Quartile is when you separate your data into sections. It's separated as 3 sections: the lower quartile, second quartile, and the third quartile. Let's look at what they are. Second quartile is easy to find as it's just the median of the data. The first quartile can be found using the formula n plus 1 divided by 4. The third quartile can be found using the formula 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. Group discrete data. Group discrete data is data which isn't given as a list of values, but as values which fit within a group. Now that we have some basic data in our head, let's go and try to display all these. Not me trying to sound cool, but anyway.
Created using Powtoon.